we would like to see it not just in BC, we would certainly like to see that across Canada and certainly here in Manitoba as well.
Advocates on the front line of Manitoba's drug overdose crisis say our government should be following BC's lead after they decriminalized small amounts of illicit drugs, a decision they say could save lives. The plan to move forward on decriminalization in BC was delivered Tuesday. The plan details how a federal exemption will see up to 2.5 grams of illicit drugs decriminalized for a 3-year period starting January 31st, 2023.
This is an everybody issue. We had 407 Manitobans die last year, which is a staggering amount of preventable deaths.
Johnny Mexico with the Manitoba Harm Reduction Network says the change is a step in the right direction and wants similar action here in Manitoba.
What we need to see from our leadership is leadership, and we need to see leaders who are brave. We want to see leaders who are not afraid to go to bat for everybody, and this is an everybody issue.
Yeah, and Manitoba's not considering that at this point.
Following question period Tuesday, Justice Minister Kelvin Gertsen said the province would not be examining the same move.
Perspective has been that when individuals are finding themselves entangled in addiction, and we know that there are many different sorts of drugs that people can get addicted to, and that is changing and they're becoming more and more harmful, that it's important to focus the attention on trying to stem that availability of the drugs and where people are addicted to provide them the support.
Advocates like Arlene Lass-Kolb, who lost her son to an overdose, say the current approach in Manitoba is not working.
A toxic supply is a toxic supply.
She wonders why this issue is still being treated as a criminal one when evidence has shown it must be addressed as a health issue.
Comments that we should be focusing, that Manitoba will focus on treatment and on getting drugs off the street is a very old way of thinking. Okay, that's stigma.
Pointing to recent conversations around decriminalization at Winnipeg City Hall as progress, she says the recent comments made by the minister adds to a stigma around harm reduction. She says she has a clear message from Minister Gertsen and the province's current approach.
We know that we have a lot of work to do in Manitoba to get people on the right page. That kind of stuff is what's killing us.
In Winnipeg, Modjeski, City News.